Hi kids, welcome to Kids Learning. If you are new on my channel, then subscribe Kids Learning. In this video, we learn vegetable names in Urdu and English. Let's start. Potato, aloo, onion, pyaz, broccoli, shak gobi, cabbage, band gobi, eggplant, bangan, cauliflower, phool gobi, bitter gourd, karela, spinach, palak, radish, मूली, carrot, gajar, cucumber, खीरा, tomato, टमाटर, chili, मिर्च, greens, साग, bottle gourd, लौकी, okra, भिंडी, beetroot, चुकंदर, turnip, शलजम, coriander, धनिया, zucchini, तोरी, sweet potato, शकरकंदी, lettuce, सलाद पत्ता, mint, पुदीना, corn, मकई, peas, मटर, garlic, लहसुन, ginger, अदरक, turmeric, हल्दी, yam, अरवी, bell pepper, शिमला मिर्च, pumpkin, हलवा कद्दू, lemon, लीमू. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. Bye kids. Have a great day.